What's going on, pumpkin people? This is the last update before the layoff. Stick around and see where we are with Cardinal. All right, this is our last update before the layoff, and I just gave it away. We are going to be taking Cardinal this Friday to the Big E in West Springfield, Massachusetts. The layoff is at 6:30. Come check it out. One last look at this plant. Plant's decent in this area and natural progression of aging. A little bit of powdery mildew on leaves, so you can see in 1 week that fungus has jumped just to these leaves. Leaves in the back are actually okay. Foliage looking decent. We gained 50 pounds this week, so we're still averaging about 7 pounds a day. But this is typical for kind of what you expect for mid-September. But we're still putting on weight. So let's take a look at Cardinal. And here she is. So Cardinal is growing, like I said, 7 pounds a day or so, maybe a tiny bit less. There's that 2-liter Coke bottle right there. Let's just maybe put this up on top real quick. Get some scale. There we go. Look at that. Pretty big pumpkin. So drum roll please. We are at 950 pounds estimated weight. Maybe 946, maybe slightly less, but 950 pounds we'll call it. We are 50 pounds away from our goal. I'm fully expecting we hit 1,000-pound estimation, hopefully on Friday. So all we need is some thick walls and have Cardinal go a little heavy. Sounds solid to me. There's that scar. Doing all right, but I'll still point it out. Let's take another quick look. Different angle. You can kind of get a scale of the size of the fruit back here. Let's take kind of like a front view. There's like a side profile view. I think once we get Cardinal out of the pasture, we can really tell how big she really is. Let's take a quick look at that stump. Oh look, a pumpkin. But anyway, stump is right there, looking okay actually. I mean, main vine's solid. There's Cardinal right there. But you see some weeds have taken over a little bit, but it's typical for this time of year. And here's a little straggler fruit. Look at that. It's putting on a little weight. Might as well leave it. It's still growing. But anyway, let's take one last spin back to Cardinal over here. Like I said, thanks for everybody tuning in this year. Hopefully you guys learned something. And it's gonna be an exciting day on Friday to get Cardinal weighed. So I'm pretty happy for where we are right now. We are right there at our goal. So I'm saying, 6 days? Just got to put on 50 pounds. I think we can do it. So tune in. Let's say Friday is the Big E. I might post something hopefully on Saturday. Come check out that weigh off if you're in the area. 6:30 at the Big E in West Springfield. We're going to be there with Cardinal. Get your picture with Cardinal. And we'll see what happens. And we'll take one quick look at the stem. Looking all right. It looks soft, but it's still pretty solid. Yep, it's fine. So it's doing well. It's doing well. So we can't complain here. So until next time, grow 'em big.